Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to join AliExpress affiliate program for USA. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to aliexpress.com, and from here just simply scroll down to the very bottom and go ahead and go for affiliate program over here under collaborate with us. And now from here you should be able to see more information about the affiliate program of AliExpress. So from here, just simply click on start earning over here. And after that, just simply sign in into your account, or you can continue with Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Or if you don't have an account, you can just simply register. And now, once you have signed in, as you can see right away, we should be able to fill this information up. So just simply fill up your basic information like your payee name and your contact email. So just simply click on send over here. And once it has been sent, just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply copy this code and go back and paste it over here. And now just simply provide a contact phone number if you prefer. And just simply provide your social media account information as well. And now guys, just simply add the social media account ID. And now guys, just simply provide an answer to their survey. I'm going to go for online search and I'm going to go for no, maybe later, and click on I confirm and click on next. And now from here, guys, just simply provide your site information. So I'm just going to fill this up and provide the necessary information. And once you are done, you can just click on submit. And from there, guys, your registration will be under review, and the review may take 1 to 3 business days. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.